Howdy, Mike McCoy here. Now I'm going to show you, this is the way I sharpen my chainsaw most of the time. And it says steel, but they don't build this little grinder. I know, for I've had 3 of these. This is the 3rd one I've wore out, and this one's about wore out. And back when I logged, this is what I used to sharpen my saw with. And I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to put a new grinding wheel on it. I think that one's good and it's on it now, but just in case. These little old wrenches is fastened onto it here. There we go. And these just screw off like so. See? And screw right back on. Tighten him up. That's that. Then you have to set this. There we go. Loosen that just a little bit. And we're loosening it a little more, I guess. Don't act like it's wanting to move. Probably move all at once. There we go. I'm about 2/3 blind. That there's about where I want it. Maybe up this. This just goes. Let's try that right there. Perfect. Okay. Now, the way I do it is I always take a marker and mark 1 and 2. To me, it's awful important to know when to quit just as much as it is to know when to start. You take this little thing, starting to rain right now, so. Running. And you just put that on there. And the secret is, don't let it heat the chain tip too bad. And you can stand here and you can see the edge roll up on it. Right there it rolled up. And this one here is wore out. I mean, the bearings is rattling in it. But it does a good job. I know you guys that traditionally fly think this is the wrong way, but it works for me. And I always just kept this in the glove box of my dozer. If I was in the woods and went down on the landing, the dozer is usually there, and we'll just take it over there and sharpen it. You can see the edge roll up there. I got one of these back in the mid-80s and I've had one ever since. And like I say, the secret is not to bear down hard with it. You don't want to heat that too. And I have before, when the old chain is wore plumb out, like the I Sharpen, just bear down on it and turn that tooth just as blue as a fish hook. It'll make it hard and it'll last a little longer. But that probably is not a good idea, but I have done that before. And this is a steel skip tooth chain. You see, we're back around where we started. That's all there are to it.